We are a life skills and enrichment program for teen girls. Our professional speakers and contributors give our students quality and real-life application. Customized programming for middle school and high schools are available for semester series. We are encouraging our students to use the past to connect to the present and to provide solutions for the future, learning presentation and research skills. Teen boys and girls are provided opportunities to do community service. The gift of giving comes from hands-on experience, volunteering, and serving. Our students have been empowered and see the difference that they can make personally and collectively.